Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today I am duping the brand new Natasha Denona Glam palette. If you guys watched my last video, I did do a full review and demo swatches of this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Guys, I'm even doing a giveaway. That's right, one of you out there has the opportunity to win this brand new eyeshadow palette. Full details are in my video from 2 days ago. It's the last video I have here on my channel and it says giveaway on the thumbnail. You can't miss it. Definitely check it out. If you haven't seen a review on this eyeshadow palette yet, you'll definitely want to watch and get the full details on how you can win one for yourself. This is a $65 eyeshadow palette. It is not a cheap palette by any means, but it is definitely a beautiful palette, especially if you love cool toned neutral shades. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got these looks right here because I do have two different eye looks on each eye. One eye I used a very super duper affordable eyeshadow palette, and on the other eye I used the brand new Natasha Denona Glam palette. Which eye is which? Which is the affordable? Which is the expensive? Let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I got the Natasha Denona Glam palette look for less, keep on watching. Alright guys, so these are the two completed looks, one of them using a drugstore eyeshadow palette and the other using the brand new Natasha Denona Glam palette. Which do you think is the drugstore side? Do you think it's the left or do you think it's the right? If you guessed the left, you would be wrong. I used e.l.f. e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadows to get the look on the right, and I used the brand new Natasha Denona Glam palette to get the look on the left. Pretty identical, don't you think? Maybe just a slight variation in shades, but guys, these little e.l.f. bite-sized palettes really stole the show today for $6 because they're $3 each. you can achieve several different looks that you can with the brand new $65, yeah, $65 Natasha Denona Glam palette. And the shades that I used in the e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow palettes are Rosewater and Truffles. And this one is Rosewater and this one is Truffles. Guys, really quick, I want to give a shout out to this other palette that I have in my collection that is actually a dupe palette for one of the Huda Beauty Obsession palettes, and I believe it's for the Smoky palette. This is from the brand Bad Habit, and unfortunately, this company went out of business last year when that Shop Hush app went out of business, so I'm pretty sure they were affiliated with one another, but I had this in my collection. I paid like $10 for this eyeshadow palette, and it is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Obsessions Smoky palette. So if you have this palette or the Huda Beauty one, then you definitely have very similar shades to what is in the new Natasha Denona Glam palette. And I did some swatches of both of these, which I will insert here so that you guys can draw your own comparisons. So guys, that completes today's dupe video. Definitely leave me your comments down below. What did you guys think? Are you gonna splurge on the Natasha Denona? Are you gonna go for the e.l.f. bite size? Maybe you had this Bad Habit palette in your stash already. Definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know all the details. Don't forget, guys, to enter my giveaway. One of you out there will be able to win this new Natasha Denona Glam palette. This is my way of saying thank you for getting me to 2,000 subscribers. It's just unreal to me, guys. And if you don't know about my giveaway yet, check out my last YouTube video. It says giveaway on it, and it's featuring this palette. All of the details on how to enter are included in the description box. Guys, my giveaway closes on Thursday, September 10th at 9 p.m. CST, so definitely make sure that you enter before then. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!